Good morning, welcome to another week. As you can see, Tash, with the absence of Brucey, Tash has left me to my own devices again. Yeah, if you're eating your breakfast, sorry about the tight t-shirt. Tash gave me this. She said, "Oh, you can have a t-shirt." It's a little bit on the tight side. The little clippies, these little clips have come in, so I will get these replaced. I've got 3 to do, 3 or 4 to do, I can't remember now. We have a shower tap to do. We're going to have to use this new one because this one is back order, and you can't get. It's going to be ages and ages before we can get one of these. So I'm going to have to go with this one. So we're going to have to drill out the receptacle to 39mm. 39mm on that. There we go. That'll be all right. There we go, there's the new ones on. You have to mastic these as well, because they obviously where these go through into the body, they can let water in. You need to use a mastic that will come off, because eventually these will need replacing. Probably last, if you're really lucky, 5 years, but that's the old one, that's what they go like. Obviously they are attacked a little bit by the sun, but it's probably more, maybe it's been washed with something quite harsh, maybe an acidic type of a wash has started to degrade them as well. It hasn't helped, but I have stood this one off the body a little bit more with another base plate, just so that this door doesn't actually hit the trim down here when it opens. Yeah. So now it doesn't actually hit the door down there. And what I'll probably do is trim off the excess mastic and probably just run a bead of silicone sealant round the edge just to tidy it up. But ultimately the whole underneath of this has got this grey mastic on, so it'll never let water in. Just want to probably just face the surround a little bit so it looks a bit better. As you can see, Paul has kindly faced these up for me just to make them a little bit tidy. When you use the mastic, everything sticks to it, so after a while they just go all sort of black and manky. So yeah, just put a bit of sealant around them just to face them up. So I've resealed the top of that and tightened the nut up that's underneath, and I will show you inside the tank. So that little black cylinder there, the bottom of it had come off its little seat. It's supposed to like fit onto that quite snugly, because this is a system where you can wind it sort of quarter of a turn and it will give you, it will drain out through the top where that white where the white plastic thing is, and that leaves you basically quarter of a tank in, so you don't have to travel with a full tank. Yeah, so that is all done. You got the level probes there as well, and then obviously that is the pump on the right hand side. So I've just filled the tank, the water tank in the Sunlight, to see if there's any leaks, and as you can see it still leaks. So back to the drawing board on that one. I think that is leaking. Obviously that wasn't leaking before, but I'll have to look at the seal again. I'd say it looks like it's coming up through the centre of that. So I'm going to have this back out again. I don't think it's leaking from the where I've resealed it, but it's actually now coming from the centre. So take it apart again. Let's get the shaft out. A little snap ring. So that is the seal, that is what stops the water coming up through this. I'll clean this up. No, can't see any issues with the seal, although this wasn't sitting in quite tight enough, so this little collar could have gone down a bit further, so hopefully it's going to work. Fill it with good old Vaseline. Hopefully that's one lucky. Oh. Oh, damn it. Same as the last time. No. I've tested it and it's not leaking anymore, so it's all dry here. when we filled it right full. So yeah, no water leaks now, so that is all good, ready to go. If you're still here, thank you for watching, thank you for joining me, and I hope you found that interesting or helpful. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.